In chapter 7, we are creating the movies data access object. So first we declare variable to hold the reference to the movies database, which is let movies. And then the movies data access object class is responsible for handling the interactions with the movie database. So we have a static asynchronous where we inject. So the method to inject the database is a reference when the server starts, and then if there is the reference of movies already exists, we'll connect to the database and then get the collection of movies. And then if the reference doesn't exist, we'll catch the error and then we'll console unable to connect movies down. And then we have a method to retrieve movies from the database based on the filters. So with our get movies, the filter start as null, so it starts empty, and then the page will be on 0. And then with movies per page tells us the default number of movies that will be shown on the page when the server starts, basically. And then we check if filters are provided and create a query accordingly. So if there's a filter, it will search by a title. So when we search by title, it will search for that specific title and display movies with that title, or we can use the ratings. So with the query rated, the query will have to be equal. So for example, if we have PG-13, it will have to be PG-13 to retrieve the movie. And then we have our cursor. So with our cursor, we have our movies.find query. So this way it finds documents in movies collection that match the specified query. So either you'll be using the title filter or the ratings filter, and then we'll limit the movies per page, so that it will limit the number of documents returned to the specific number per page, and then skip movies per page, so it will skip a certain number of documents based on the current page number. From there, when the movies are found, we'll convert whatever is retrieved into an array of movies. So if we use that as a query filter, it will return all the movies that have and then put them into an array, and then we'll get the total number of movies based on the provided query, where we have const total number of movies equals the weight movies count documents from the specific query. And then from there, after getting the total number of movies, it will return those list of movies and the total count of the movies that it has retrieved. If not, it will catch and log any errors that would occur during that find command. So it will console unable to issue find command. And then if everything is found, it will return that movies list into an array, and then it will display the total number of movies. If not, it will provide an empty array with the total numbers of movies equaling to 0. That's it.